Okay, good evening, ako sa Arvin G Vlog, si Gio. You're watching the second game for tonight now sa ating Friday edition Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Teka lang po ha, magano na ako ng papampu natin. Okay, game. This is your Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. Maraming salamat po. And you're watching right now and ating pong main sponsors muna po. T-Trade News and Team LBC Hanay Padala. Saan po nabiyo dyan ang SBB Ara and PSBG Basketball League. And of course, ito po ating participating teams. Cabin Line, Hub, Oryx, Boleros, Airport United, CAS, In-Flights, Manicanicos, Sky Team, Freighters, and QR Towers. This is now the eliminations and second game for the night po is between Boleros and the Freighters. Boleros and Freighters po, second game po tayo yun. Okay, Boleros and Freighters po tayo, second game po tayo. Good evening po sa po dyan, ako sa Arvin G Vlog, see you both playing now black po. Black and fiery combination, yan po ang Boleros. And of course, ang white and sky blue naman po, yan po ang Team Freighters. O yung mga kanayan, yung CAS, yung cargo, Qatar Airways cargo po yan. This shows you Arvin G Vlog si Ju, and you're watching right now the game between the Sengi po natin, between Freighters and Boleros. Ay nandito. Meron guys, Cabin Line and Mechanicos, please come on time. Yan po ay mag-isusad laro po natin po. Please come on time po tayo. Dagsimula po tayo po on time. Maraming salamat po. Please come on time po tayo. Please come on time. Cabin Line versus Mechanicos, please come on time po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Pero siyempre, note muna tayo muna po ng Boleros and Freighters. Ay, nandito na. Okay, game. First quarter action. Idol. Ano lang yun. Adjust pa. Konti adjust pa. Okay, first quarter action now. Of course, si Benji. Nandiyan si Benji. Si Forbes, si number 31, si number 30, at si number... Tatatakpal eh. Para sa Monte ng number 26. Sa Freighters po, of course, nandiyan si Flores, nandiyan si 20, nandiyan si 16, si 22, and to keep the game boys, number 4 ng Team Freighters. Okay, let's game. Let's play ball. It's basketball. Pops up. Second quarter action on the way now. Saying on the way now. Okay, Nando, first possession now goes to Freighters. Flores. Running shot, no good. Rebound battle, and it's still a hell ball situation. Black ball po tayo, sabi. Black ball. And of course, saan niyo po si Mr. Marvin? Marvin. Okay, sige po. Thank you very much po. Forbes swept away. Hope for the foul. Okay, Forbes kumakat sa Monte. Wala, nanakawan. Number 6, Flores manaban bola. Flores, nandiyan si Mempin, pops up for 2. Nope. Number 30, nakakriban si number 30. Low post, pops up. No good still. No good pa rin po. Pero siyempre, meron 2 shots given para sa mamang yan. Wala. First shot, wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. The score right is still 0-all. Second shot pops up. No good still. Forbes Forbes. Binato kay Samson. Kay Samsam o Samonte yan, kay Samonte. And now to number 30. Pops up 2 points, number 30. Number 32 points. Amelia. Boleros leading by 2 points. Flores, naipit ng konti. Flores again, pops up. Bang! Si rin, Flores. 2-all. Nakabawi sa Flores. Pinabang bola, Samsam again. Or si Yutor yan, o si Benji yan. Si Benji, intercepted, counter interception. Flores, nandun si Esamonte, nandun si 30. Nabunga, no good. Foul. Peng, Mr. Peng, how are you? Idol. Next game. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Okay, Boleros ball. Pakicheck na pa yung grooming natin. Baka may kamay baka may nail cutter po kayo. Pakiputulan po yung kuko po natin. Pinababa po tayo ngayon na again now. Benji, Forbes, nice pass sa Monte, palpal bahagya. Palpal sa likod. Pops up. Benji, 2 points. Nice play by Benji. 6:44 remaining. No good. Traveling call by the referee. Traveling ball. Number of that 4 shot. Jacket siya. Lost the ball. Zigzagging. Mempin. Pinasa pa. Nanakawan to ni Benji. Sa Monte, sa ilalim, pops up, and one play. And timeout called by the Freighters. The score is 2-6 po tayo, 2-6. Balik po tayo. 2-6 po, laman po ang Boleros, 30. Abelia shooting for 2.
Prepare na po next five, ha? Prepare na. Bonus shot, bonus 30.
No good. Intercepted by Forbes. Idol. Okay, pre. Ingat. Oo nga. 16. Oo. Hindi, konti pa. Dagaan daw. Konti pa. Konting jelling pa. Konting ano pa. Konting prank ano. Konting ano. Para magkano kayo. Nice game, boss. Nice game. Nice game. Mempin to Flores. 5:18 remaining. Second liners. Handaan nyo na. Palpal. May foul nga lang. Second liners. Pakihandaan nyo na po. Second liners. Thank you very much po. Second liners po. Okay. Pasok po. Second liners. Second liner po. Pakipasok lang po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, game. Flores shooting for 2. Flores number 6 shooting for 2. Pops up. Yes, sir. Okay, palit ka na rin. Flores. Thank you very much po. 28 para kay Flores. Okay, sa ano po, si Pasi, si JP, si Clemena, si Padilla, at si number 30. Sa kabilang po, of course, si number 28, 17, 21, number 30 at 21 po para po sa Freighters. Wala. Rebound battle won by the Black Shirts. Malakas ang pasa. Number 21, Pinalo. Nope, muntik na. Okay, number 28, securing the ball first. Number 3, 33, pops up for 3. Nope. Clemena rather. Nanakawan si Clemena. And now 28 ng Freighters. 24. 30. Nope. Intercepted by the Black Boys. Boleros lumili tayo. Clemena 2 points. Clemena 2 points. 4-8 ang score po natin. 3:55 remaining. Valera 28, pops up, kapos. Padilla ng rebound. Pasi. JP, kumat. Si Clemena. Naipit si Clemena. Labas. Walang pinasahan. Sayang. Ay. Good ball. Ay. Sorry. Tumapak. Natapak. 3:05 remaining. First quarter action. Calling cabin line and Mechanicos. Punta po kayo po na maaga. Nagsimula po kasi ang iyong sinundan. Maraming salamat po. Again, I repeat, calling cabin line and Mechanicos. Punta po kayo na maaga. Nagsimula po kasi ang sinundan yung laro. On time po siya nagsimula po. Wala pong delay po tayo ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Pasi kumukuha ng bola, ayaw. Pasi ng bola, pasi for 3. Nope. Pati butiki. JP naman. Wala pa rin. Ryan. Bola. Good ball.
Sir, wala kami.
Get po.
Ka na ba?
Pahingin sila. Salamat sir. Sir Pe, thank you pa. Good game po. Ay, Sir Mateo pala, sorry. Sir Mateo, good game. Padilla number 10, shooting for 2. Shoutout kay Birdie Boy, third dinner Canton. Sabi po Mr. Julius Pabagay. Okay, Padilla number 10, first shot no good. Second shot, jumper shot din po tayo. At 2:16 remaining. Jurex Juro Premium Game, si Sir Alain Lim. Wala. Okay, si number 30. Number 30, binababa ang bola. Kalma. Mukha ng pick. Ayan na, si number 24. Valera. Wala. Black shirt sa rebound. Tupasi. Pasi again. Roba si Blazer. Albert Dino Malasigan. JP, nice stop to Badilla. May foul call kay Valera. Valera called for a foul. Penalty situation. Wala pa. Sorry. Warning for penalty for Team Freighters. Passing number 3. Malakas. Rebound by the Black Boys. Boleros. Palpal ng bagya. Same ball po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Okay, binababa pa number 7 ng bola. Gracia. 24. 2 points, 24. Valera, 2 points. Clemena, 23. Clemena, zigzagging. Pops up kay 24. Nope. Ayun, Gino Lenzana, hindi tumira. Sabi ni Jermikia Branches, go Gracia. Yan. Go Gracia daw po tayo. Go Gracia. Go. Second shot, Padilla. Jumpers ready po tayo.
Breaking news! Lumabas na ang body count comics ng mga NBI ng Senate drama. Ang lumalabas po, NBI drama na naman.
Wala po. No good. Wala pa rin. Ayun na, nakano. Clemena, side step move. Clemena, Jolens. Clemena, Jolens. Anong quarter na sa Tabile? Sir, magsi-second quarter na po, sir. Magsi-second quarter na po. Fadeaway shot, 2 points. Sir Tabile, magsi-second quarter na po. 4 seconds na lang. Wala na. Okay, second quarter na po tayo. Okay, second quarter action on the way right now. Ano ba to? Sabi nyo na back ni Sir Alfred. Okay, white ball, sir, white ball. Okay, that's Toto. Toto na kay Ruiz also, Ruiz, yung kanang skipper. Kay 20, hindi po mano. Nice, deep at Paul. Walang pinasahan. Game. 0. Boleros 29. Paano magpapasok ng bola? 10-12 po lamang po ng Boleros ang dalawa. 9:15 remaining. Traveling violation called sa Boleros. 10-12 ang score po natin po ngayon. I think si Manapat yata nagkukuts yata. Nagre-rigod po ng tao po sa Boleros. Raiders still ongoing. Toto. Number 10, Ruiz. Step away. Barks. Nice one, 17, 2 points. 17, 2 points. Number 10, binababa ang bola. Ruiz against Zohan. Number 20. Foul. Matitibay mga katawan nila, grabe. Walang tumatalsik. This game was brought to you by Ref King Company po. Yan po HBB Ara. Maraming salamat for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. And of course, ang PSB Basketball League. And of course, sample natin po dyan ang Thread and Needles at ang Team LBC, hari ng padala. Pops up, 20, wala, rebound by 0 sana, nandun si 29, nandun si number 10, kay Ruiz, kick pass kay Toto, wala, and number 19, papasa kay number 29, Paul, 17, Ron, Paul, what a play, ano yun? Wild shot! Binababa ang bola. Oy! Sayang. The score is 10-14. Naman po ang Boleros ang 4 at 7:28 remaining second quarter action. Cabin line and Mechanicos. Pumunta po yun na maaga po dito dahil kasi nagsimula po na maaga po ang yung sinundan. Maraming salamat po. I repeat, Cabin Line and Mechanicos, punta po kayo na maaga dito dahil kasi po nagsimula po ang yung sinundan na maaga. Maraming salamat po. 7:20 remaining. 7:14 remaining. Uy, nawala! Ruiz, 2 points. Nice, D. Nice stop from Luis. Pero di umabot po doon. Okay, Ron. Nandun na nakawan. Still completed. Toto, wala. Rebound by number 15, Barks. Kick pass kagad kay Paul. Paul, 29. 29. Paul. Nandun si Ron. Fade away shot. Kapos. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Raiders, number 10. Binababa ang bola. Nandun. Intercepted. Paul. Zohan. No good. Bente, 29, Gis, binababang bola ng Gis, naipit, no foul committed, no good, rebound, black shirts ang bola, sa bola po ng itim, 5:45 remaining. Yung second liners po natin, calling second liners, handaan-handaan na kayo. Ron pops number 3. Nope. Again, another chance for Ron. Wala ba rin? Tapo, palabas po. Toto number 5. Number 10. Wala. Number 10. Ruiz. Number 20. Wala. Out of bounds. And change 5 po tayo. Balik po tayo. JP, 2 points. 4:42 remaining. Flores. Romero. 22. Ayun! Nice one by 21. Nice cut. That's Valdez. 4:24 remaining. 14-16. Dabs. Dabs. 6 times away. Dabs. Palpal. Dabs muli. Flores out of bounds. Same ball po tayo for Freighters. Bola po ng Freighters po ngayon out of bounds from the pass. From a missed pass of Boleros. Nakuha ng pick. 22. Number 21. 22. 3-second violation. 3-second violation, sabi ng referee. At 3:45 remaining, second quarter action. I repeat po, cabin line and mechanicals, punta po kayo dito po na maaga. Dahil sila nagsimula po na maaga po ang yung sinundan. Maraming salamat po. You will start your game on time. Thank you very much. Again. Hoy! Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line, boss. 3:09 remaining. 14-16. Lamang po Boleros sa dalawa. Oh, traveling violation called. Traveling violation called po para po sa team Freighters. Papagupit na pag-galing. Papagupit na. Flores, Abella, pops up Dabs, nope. JP, Dabs, Abella, pops up, ayun. Wala pa rin. JP 2 points. JP 2 points, 14-18 score po natin. Laman po ng 4 ang Boleros at 2:26 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Pops up, Valera, wala. Wala rin. Ayun, meron. Wala pa rin. JP naka-rebound. JP clear the boards. Intercepted by Valera. Valera palpal. Wala pa rin. 22. Driving show. Wala pa rin. Offline shots. Nako na itim ang bola. Itim ang bola. JP! Wala! Palpal! Dribbling violation. Dikit. Nadikit ang bola. Nadikit. Number 6, Flores. Number 6, Flores. Nice pa sana, hindi po mabura. 1:14 remaining at 14-18 score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ang Boleros ang 4. Romero 22. Nando si 4. Valera. Nope, it's Flores. Bang! She rin. 3 points, Flores. 3 points. Maraming sa sponsor po ng si Mr. Mateo po sa tubig. Thank you very much po kay Mateo po. Mateo Swa. Ayan, okay, Dabs. Nice hustle play by Flores. 45 seconds remaining. Good one. 22, pops number 3, wala. Rebound by the black shirts. 33 seconds remaining. Stripped away. White ball. Tumama sa hita. Tumama sa hita. Tama daw sa hita, sabi ni Grep King. Balik po tayo. Okay, Brian Dwight, Passi 77, Idol, Mr. USC number 99. Okay. Flores, wala. Rebound by Flores again. Flores, naipitin. Tuloy na naipit sa kanya. 3 seconds pa. JP, malakas. And end of the first half po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Halftime po tayo. Picture muna tayo. Lahat sila po kumpleto. Lahat po sila po kumpleto po yata. Kaya kaya walang magpi-free throw po ng walang mabibigyan po ng bonus free throws po. This shows with you Arvin G Vlogs here watching the second game for tonight. Between, alam po natin yan, Team Boleros versus Team Freighters. The score right now is 17-18. Lamang po ang Boleros po ng isa. Meron pala. Okay, penalty shots given po para sa Team Boleros. Passi. Okay, yung mga mas marami yata po ang Boleros. Bili po sila ng mga bonus free throws. Wala rin. Okay, Bolis White. Bolis White po tayo. Bolis White. Bolis White pala. Bolis White. Bolis White. Okay. Change court po tayo. Oh, boss. Oh, kumusta pa natin? Ayos naman? Pa. Saan mo? Sige, alali lang po sir ha. Alali lang po. Okay, number 30 Kaliwan to Mr. Flores. Flores, binaba po natin bola against Benji. Nakalusot si Flores. Jolens! 2 points, Flores. 9:51. Pasi! Oy! Hindi pa pwede yung boss. Paul Brian Oren is watching. Thank you po, sir. Benji to Samonte. Samonte. Pinasa kagad kay Mr. Clamena. To to Forbes. And one play. And one play para kay Mr. Forbes. Mukha yatang nagagalit po sa buhok po niya. Kaya medyo malakas siya parate. Parang Samson. Ha? Po?
Nakukot mo sa parking yan?
Hindi ko pina. Ang pinaupo sa parking, yung luma lang. Ay, binaba bola. Ayan na. Ayun. Samonte. Samonte. Pinasa kay Benji. Benji. Samonte. 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 Di siya pass. Palpal kay 17 ang bola. Hindi ko pa GT ka to. Unang GT ka nilis ko. Binaba bola ngayon po ngayon. Ito po tayo. Ayan na. Pops up. Yes, sir, kay JP. JP, 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals by JP. 8:39 remaining, third quarter action on the way. Ay, cabin line, nandiyan po. Mechanicos, nasaan ba yung Mechanicos? Foul call! Again, I'm calling now cabin line versus Mechanicos. Please come on time. Dahil po kasi maaga po nagsimula ang yung sinundan. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Pops up. Nope. Second shot. Viteres number 20. Gutierrez siya to. Gutierrez nga. Albert Birdie also is watching right now. Thank you very much po. Number 20 again. Yes, sirree. Nope, it's out. In and out. Good ball. 30. Pops up. Wala. Good ball. 2 points, 20. 20, 2 points. 20, 2 points. Binababang bola ngayon, number 12. 12. Clemena. Clemena na kulusot. Jolens kay Clemena. Jolens. Clemena, Jolens. 2 points. 13 po kalamangan. 3. Flores. Uy! Foul called. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? 26. 23, sorry. Ryan Kuya, pa-shoutout po kay Jones, Falsi, Simbalang, lahat ang bisyo. Okay. First shot, Flores, pasok. One more shot kay Flores. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the black shirts. Benji, hounded. Benji. Pinasa agad kay Clemena. Clemena, ayaw muna. Jake, Forbes. Wala. Puti. Ayun, mag-isa. Clemena. Good ball. No foul. Clemena. Forbes down. Dorbs down. Okay, nandito na po sila. Maraming salamat po sa team cabin line for being on time. Now, Mechanicos, calling Mechanicos, please come on time, please. Because the game na yung susundan po is tagsimula po on time. I repeat, Mechanicos, please come on time. Because the game you're about to follow, you're following the game, the earlier game now started on time. Thank you very much. In other words, pupunta po kayo dito na maaga dahil si maaga po nagsimula po ang yung sinundan na laro. Clemena, 23. Padilla, Jolens. Take 2. Okay, basket mate po tayo. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up again. Boo! Pumasok. 30. Pasok. Nice shot. Pasok. Op! Si Daisy. Eto na naman the white shirts. Hounding. This is ace. Wala. 28. Lunato. 25-26 again. Kaliwan rather. Flores. Nope. Rebound. Forbes. Who's ball rep? That's black ball. Black ball. Sabi ng referee, black ball. Ball is black. 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 Ball is black. Black ball. Black ball. Ball is black. Black ball. Black ball. Okay. Boleros. Boleros. Boleros to Ryan. Ryan 28. Ryan musikahan. Ryan hounded by the white shirt. Padilla traveling, sabi ni Rep Melvin. Rep Marvin says it's traveling. Traveling, cold. 5:18 remaining. Flores, number 6, binababa ang bola. Kaliwan, 30. 16. Still completed. Almost. Another still completed. Counter steal. Nice. Dish of pass kay Flores. Wala. JP. And now to Padilla. Nako, malakas sa pasa. Balik sa puti ang bola. Balik sa banda puti pong bola. Banda puti. White ball. White ball. White ball. White ball po tayo. White ball. White ball po tayo. Sir Lipit is watching right now. Within points, sir. 4:30 remaining po sa ating pong basketball action. 4:25 remaining. Flores. Offline. Ayun na, Mechanicos dumating na rin. Thank you very much po. Mechanicos dumating for Mechanicos. I think time out called now by Team Freighters. Napako po tayo for 3 minutes right now. Wala pong gumala po sa score po natin. The score is still stands at 25-26. A word from our sponsors. Aviation Friend League, Dub as a Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Tradinilos and Team LBC Hanan Padala. And of course, nandiyan ba SBB Ara at PSBQ Basketball League. Back to ball game po tayo ngayon. After 3 minutes, both teams are scoreless. Magandang bantayan po yan. Black ball po tayo. Black ball. Black ball po tayo. Lawrence Tesores watching. Dabs. Binabantayan po ni Kaliwan. Brian pops up. Nope. Nado na ipit. White shirts na naman tayo. Flores na naman. Leading the charge. Flores. Kaliwan. Wala. Pops up. Foul called. Who's foul rep? Okay. JP. Pops up. Number 16. Wala. Okay, to tie the ball game at 3:39 remaining. Ay, nandito na. Walang tubig. Pops up, Mimpin. Pasok ang bola. Patok. Patok ang bola kay Mimpin. Okay. Nag-time up po yata. Tablados po tayo. Okay. Tablado na po tayo sa 26 ang laban po natin. $26 all po tayo. 26 all po tayo at 3:39 remaining third quarter action. A relatively low scoring ball game for today because nagbabantayan po sila. Nagbabantayan po ng dalawang teams po natin. Takin na po, sir. Takin lang po. Takin. Okay, inbound din po si Pasi ng Boleros. 3:38 remaining. Ron, number 9. Ayun. Out of bounds. Same ball. Black ball. $3:18 remaining. 3:18 remaining. Number 9. Wala. Kickball. Sa puting bola. Kickball. 3 minutes remaining. Areciles watching right now. Flores. Kaliwan. Flores. Number 16. That's nice pass. 21. One more time. 2 points. 21. Okay, now Freighters now leading now. 2 points. 28. Flores. Foul. Pasi called for a foul. Flores shooting for 2. 28-26 po score po natin right now. Lamang na po ang Freighters ng dalawa. 28-26. Flores. Dabs. 24, JP. Pasi. Pops up. No good. 2:04 remaining. Inbound din po si Dabs, number 9. Dabs. Pasi. Dabs. Ron, Pasi. Nope. Jolens, wala pa rin. Number 20 called for a foul. Number 20 called for the foul. Pops up. Out. Second shot jumper shot po tayo. The score is 30-26 po. Lamang na po ang Team Freighters by 4 points, 30-26. Pops up again. It's out. Rebound White. Still completed almost and foul call. A minute and 31 remaining. 30-26. Freighters on the attack. Ron. $16, 2 points. 4. Aning kalamangan. Foul. Stepping on the line for for Team Boleros. Balik puli po sa puti ang bola. Kaliwan. Binababa ang bola. Nawala ang bola. 16 seconds remaining. 16! Wala. Isa pa. Wala rin. 14 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot. Kaliwan. Driving strong. Wala. Up. Foul. Down. Penalty situation.
Number 30 first ball.
30 per spot. Penalty situation po tayo. Gutierrez, number 20, shooting for 2. Balik po tayo. Pinababa ang bola ngayon. Atin si Fuentes, binapatay ni Dubs. Hop! Stripped. No good. Wala na. Nice stop. Okay, after 3 quarters naman po ang Freighters, 32-26. This is Short Aviation Friendly Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC Hanal Padala, and of course, 30 Needles. Sama natin po dyan ang SPB ARA and PSP Basketball League. And of course, ito po yung ating mga participating teams po natin po para sa 5th season. This is the elimination space po rin po tayo. And you're still watching the Boleros and Freighters for the 4th and final quarter. The score is 32-26. Laman po ng 6 ang Freighters. Suot po kayo po ng uniforme, sir. Huwag po kayo magano. Thank you. Okay, final 10 minutes on the way now. Mekos na po dito. Mekos na po. Mekos ni Insan. Okay, Ramirez, number 4. Hop! Same ball. Nice swiped away by Samonte. Flores, their skipper. Balik po tayo. Buka ng pick si Blanca. Nice one by Flores. Wala, pero bumasok. 2 points Flores. Benji naman. Hop! Monte, floater shot. Wala po. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Yung ninito ang bola. 28. Oy! Rapirizes, nag-travel ka doon, boss. Wala kang pasaporte, sir. Traveling ka. Okay, Benji, binababa ang bola ni Benji. Now to Mr. Padilla. Forbes. Out of bound. Take po si Forbes. The score is 34-26. Laman po ng 8 na po ang team Freighters over Boleros. Forbes, first shot. It's out. Forbes, second free throw. Jumpers, ready po tayo. No good. Uy! Tignan. Main pin to Flores. Flores. Flores again. Flores. Running shot. Foul called. Who's foul rep? Number 15 called for the foul. Flores, number 6, shooting for 2. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. .820 lang rin score po natin. Flores, wala pa rin. Nandiyan po si JP. No foul. 8:21 remaining. Out of bounds. Same ball po, same ball. Out of bounds. Nonato! Backing violation. Nice D, nice D. 7:54 remaining. Kinakailangan po mag-ano na sila, mag-stop na po. Benji, binababa ang bola. Esperanza, o sa Monte rather. Wala. Ay sir, ano ba? Ay ba yun, kausap ko? Yung Nas ba? Yung nagtatanong. Kabilang niya tayo. Kung ano ulit yung simulan laro nila. Okay, JP shooting for 2. Pops up. Naku! Niluwa ang bola. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Sa Monte. Sa Monte. Benji for 3. No good. Wala pa rin. Napako na po sa 26 po for some time already po ang Team Boleros. Okay, Clemena. Ano ba yan? Out of Kapos. Second shot. Pops up. Wala. Early entry. Balik sa puting bola. Balik sa puting bola po tayo. Balik sa puting bola. Okay, nag-timeout din po yata ang Team Boleros. The score is at 34-26. Lamang po ang Fritters by 8 points. Ay nandito na. Nope. Good ball. JP. Malakas. Two points. Ron, 2 points. Gusto mo kasi pampalis cobra. The most takes it. One doctor animal. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Number 20. Okay. Kaliwan shooting for 2. Up, up, up. Up! White ball. Ayan naman, JP. JP, Ron, tapusin mo na yan. Sabi ni JP, 2 points. Okay, apat. 6:13 remaining. 6:13 remaining. 34-30. Kaliwan, lost the ball. Alali lang po, sir. Balik tayo. Flores, nawala ang bola. Still completed nga. Ayan na naman sila, Ron. Muntik pa, sabi, muntik pa. Ron shooting for 2. Must made free throws para kay Ron to keep them at play. Must made free throws para kay Ron to keep them at play. To keep them at play. Ron. It's in. Second shot, Ron. Jumpers ready po tayo. Ron, second shot. Jumpers ready. 34-31. Ron. No good. Rebound. Battle won by. Hop. Okay. Black ball. Ball is black. Ball is black. Substitution. Ruiz, pasok muna. Para kay number 4. Balik tayo. Ayan na. Samonte. Kumat. Samonte. Wala. Malakas. Benji. Hinabol si Flores. Ayan na. Si Mr. No, 21. Not still completed. Ron. Nagmamadali. Ron. Pinasa kay Benji. 2 points. Isa. 34-33. 5-12 remaining. Still completed. Samonte. Okay. Binato ka agad. Ayup. Woo! Sayang. Okay, sub muna po tayo. Nag-time up po ang Team Boleros. 34-33. 4:56 remaining. 34-33. Maraming salamat po. I'm the host of the RVG Vlogs here. You're watching right now the second game of Aviation Friendly, dubbed as the Flying League. Balik po tayo. Game, tara. Tao, Flores. Nonato. Flores against Benji naman. Benji. Nice matchup. Nipit ang konti. Foul! Who's pal rep? Sino pal rep? Valdez shooting for 2. It's in. Dalawa. Second shot. Jumper shot ready tayo. Valdez. Basket made. Both basket made para kay Valdez. Dabs. Ron. Dabs. Dabs. Umatake. Dabs. Walang foul. Pero may foul. May foul called. Dabs must made free throws to keep them at play. It's out. Second shot, Dabs. Jumper shot ready po tayo. It's in. Dalawa. Good. Flores. Flores umatake. Running shot. Kapos. Nilabas. Pops up Flores. Pasok ang bola kay Flores. Flores 2 points. Padilla. Dabs for 3. Kapos, ayun, Ron, 2 points. Nice training job, Ron. Dalawa. Oh, foul call. Warning for penalty po, Team Boleros. Warning for penalty, Team Boleros. 3:28 remaining, 38-30 score ang score po natin. 3:28 remaining. Flores. Kaliwan binababa ang bola. Number 30. Lumusot din. Up! Right, black ball. Sabo na daw po tayo. Pasok. Okay, chance to tie the ball game or take the lead. Dabs. And 2:24. JP. Ron. Malakas ang pasa. Pero may tap out. Substitution made po tayo. Dabs, wala. Ron. Sabay sila. Nagkutuban yung dalawa. 2:43 remaining. 38-26 score po natin. Still completed. Nope. Oy! Foul called. 2 shots para sa Freighters at 2:30 remaining. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, number 16. Freighters. Jumper straight po tayo. No good. Rebound battle, number 16. Pops up, number 3. Wala. Rebound, Dabs. Dabs, nagmamadali. Dabs. Out of bounds. White ball. 2:21 remaining. Flores. 17, 2 points, and 1 play made. 39-36. 41-36 Stratter. Brascia, 17, shooting for 2. Nope. Rebound, black ball. Kick pass kay Ron. Ron! Foul! Technical foul ni referee.
Kung tayo pumatok.
Na technical. Okay, technical foul slap on Team Boleros. Pumasok kasi sa loob ng court po. Naging 6 tuloy yung Boleros. Okay, mini meeting din. I think what... Okay, Anspo foul called already. Anspo foul called on Team Freighters. Pumasok sa court kasi si Forbes kahit tinawag po siya ng technical free throw. Kaya po ano, ngayon nangyari, Flores po for technical free throw pero na-award po sila po ng Anspo foul mo ang Freighters. Okay. Dalawang free throw plus ball possession po yan para po sa Boleros. Anspo foul po kasi yan. Medyo hard yung ginawa kay Ron. Ron shooting for 2. Dalawang free throw po plus ball possession yan. 2 minutes remaining. Pops up. It's in. Must make free throws na para sa Boleros to keep them at play. Kaya pa yan. Takbong may lupa. Oh. Yun lang. Ball possession. Last 2 minutes. 4 po kalamangan. Boleros for the inbound. Ayan na. JP. Benji. Ron for 3. Nope. Rebound by one by the black shirts. JP Miller. Hindi. Kay Dubs naman. Dubs. Pasok. Kapus. Wow. Traveling call. 4 lang yan, oh. 4 eh. Sabi ng coach nila, 4 lang yan. JP. Uy! Traveling also called. Masakit yun. Naghabol sila. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Tao-tao lang daw, tao-tao. Okay, Benji, binabantay na. Brassia, 17. Hop! Flores! 2 points, Flores. 1:11 remaining. 6 kalamangan, 6. Dubs. Benji. Striving. Uy, sayang. And 1 play sana. Number 21 called for a foul. Benji. Number 13 shooting for 2. Next game po natin po is Mechanicals versus Cabin Line. Yan. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Per pumasok. Okay. 4. 5 rather. 5 rather. 5. Bolera. Flores. Gracia. Balera. No good. Dubs sa rebound. Dubs. Ron. 2 points, Ron. Tatlo lang yan. Valera. Gracia. Gracia. Flores. Four seconds remaining. Nice stop by Boleros. You need a 3-point play to send this game into overtime. Or else, kay Freitas na po ang bolang ito, ang panalong ito. Both teams penalty situation. Both teams penalty situation po tayo. Okay, dito. I think Boleros will go for a quick 3. Yun na lang yata pong option nila. No more, no less. Boleros will go for a quick 3 maybe. Dubs. Dubs for 3. Uy! Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Freighters surviving Boleros. Okay, final score po 43-40. Freighters, panalo po siya po ng 3. Thank you very much po. And standby po tayo po sa ating next and final game po for Friday edition po ng Aviation Friendly.